DOEC Triple C syllabus Communication and Internet Part 2. Online contents course on computer concept, introduction to GUI based operating system, elements of word processing, spreadsheet, computer communication and internet, World Wide Web and web browsers, communication and collaboration, making a small presentation. Concept of internet. The internet is a network of networks that connects users in every country in the world. There are currently over 1 billion internet users worldwide. The internet brings the outside world to your desktop, in your home or in your office. The internet is a global network made up of thousands of networks that communicate with each other. The internet offers a diverse range of information and ideas, covering almost every topic you can think of. You can also share your knowledge and interest with others. An individual or organization control the LAN or private WAN network. The internet is conglomerate of the network and is not owned by any individual or group. There are, however, several major international organizations that help to manage the internet so that everyone follows the same rules. However, want to connect to internet must contact Internet Service Provider (ISP), and ISP is a company that provides the connection and support to access the internet. It can also provide additional services such as email and web hosting. You connect to an ISP by using PC modem to connect to your ISP modem. Your modem connects to a single modem among a bank of modem at your ISP. This is called a dial-up connection. Users within corporations and large organizations typically connected to an ISP via a high-speed link like this. Internet architecture consists of: first is user PC, a multimedia PC equipped to send and receive all variety of audio and video. It may include soundboard, microphone, speakers, video graphics for 3D graphics, video playback, video camera, and voice recognition. Second is the user's communication equipment. This is the communication equipment located at the user's locations to connect the user's PCs to the local loop It may include phone line analog modem, phone line ISDN 128 KB, phone line DSL 6 MB, cable modem 27 MB, electric line 1 MB, satellite 400 KB, LANs, router, firewalls. Like this, user communication equipments. Third is local loop carrier. It connects the user location to the ISP point of presence using any of following. First is communication line, second is cable, third is satellite, fourth is power line, and the fifth is wireless. Like this. Fourth is ISP POP. This is the age of the ISP network connections. From the users are accepted and authenticate here using remote parts like this right side ISP POPs. Fifth is user services. There are services that most users would use along with internet access. First is domain name, second is email host, third is Usenet, news groups, NNTP. The fourth is special services such as Telnet or FTP. Fifth is user web hosting. Sixth is this servers require fast interface and the large fast storage. Like this. Six is online contents. There are the host sites that the user interact with. It include web server platform, hosting forms. Many online resources are hosted at well connection facilities. This server require fast interfaces and the large fast storage. Origins of online contents. This is the original real world sources for the online information, which may include existing electronic information is being connected from legacy systems. Traditional print resources are being scanned and converted into electronic format. Many types of video and audio programming is being broadcast via the internet. Internet telephony is the growing on the internet. Next is ISP backbone. The ISP backbone interconnect the ISP POPs and interconnect the ISP to others. ISPs and online connect. It include backbone providers, large circuit, fiber circuit carriers, routers, ATM switches, SONET, SDA switches, Giga switch, network access point. Like this ISP backbones. Thank you.